It's been more than 2 years since the first COVID death was reported in Alberta. In that time, governments took great strides to keep the virus under control as much as possible. Despite these efforts, more than 4,000 Albertans have died from COVID-19 since the pandemic was declared, and the number of deaths recently are alarming. In Wednesday's press conference, Dr. Deena Hinshaw confirmed 49 deaths from COVID-19 in the past week.
Sadly, between April 12th and April 18th, an average of 7 deaths per day related to COVID-19 were reported to Alberta Health.
It now raises the question, is this the new normal? This infectious disease expert says it could get worse before it gets better.
We're having a wave right now. So the number of deaths per day may rise over the next week or two, but I suspect as this wave goes through the population, it will drop back down again. So we've had this happen previously where our death numbers were very high. If you look at the Delta wave, they're way higher than they were right now.
Less than half of Alberta adults have received their first booster shot. That compares to the Canadian average of 57%. Dr. Deena Hinshaw says the third dose reduces the risk of severe outcomes for those who contract the virus.
Those who were not vaccinated were more than 3 times more likely to be hospitalized with COVID-19 and almost 8 times more likely to be admitted to ICU than those who had 3 doses of vaccine.
So what will it take to see less COVID deaths? Gregson says more Albertans need to roll up their sleeves.
Getting our vaccines up, getting as many people boosted as possible. And again, continuing to use some of these barrier precautions we have, the hand washing and the masking when you're in crowded places.
In Edmonton, Laura Krause, City News.